an integral equation limit 3 to 2 x over x square d of x is given to us, and we have to evaluate this integral equation. So solution: limit 3 to 2 x by x square d of x. As we know that when in denominator function are given and numerator its derivative is given, then its integration will be equal to natural log of f of x. Same in denominator x square is given and the derivative of x square is 2x. So we have to make the derivative of denominator in the numerator. In numerator x is available, so we have to multiply by 2 and divide it by 2. Now 1 by 2, limit 3 to 2, 2x over x square d of x. Now in denominator function and numerator's derivative is given, so its integration will be 1 by 2 natural log x square, and lower limit is 3 and upper limit is 2. 1 by 2 natural log. First of all, we have to replace this x by upper limit. 2 square minus 1 by 2 natural log. Lower limit is 3 and its square. Now 1 by 2 natural log square of 2 is 4 minus 1 by 2 natural log square of 3 is 9. Now taking common 1 by 2 natural log 4 minus natural log 9. As we know that when natural log a minus natural log b is equal to natural log a over b, so 1 by 2 natural log 4 divided by 9. Now natural log 4 divided by 9, 1 by 2, as a natural log b is equal to natural log b power a. Natural log 4 by 9, 1 by 2 is equal to natural log 4 by 9 square root. Now natural log square root 4 divided by square root 9. Natural log square root 4 is equal to 2 and square root 9 is equal to 3. So natural log 2 by 3.